अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आई होप कि आप सब ठीक होंगे, सब हेल्दी होंगे। I'm making a very late video at night. It's almost 2:25 a.m. I am feeling very sort of kind of what we say, kind of in the mood to express more what I see in the market. I posted a chart after lots of things which I'm getting notice. The the greed period. So what I did, I posted this chart on Twitter, and what does that mean? Actually, जो चीज़ मैं आपको इसमें समझाना चाहता हूँ, क्या हो रहा है? हो ये रहा है कि BTC has pumped, alright, and now alts are pumping far greater than Bitcoin. So all the liquidity, all the money from BTC has been into alts, and most of the people are in alts right now. So what does that mean? ज़्यादातर जो retailers हैं, retailer traders, smart money नहीं, retailers, they are buying the highs now. What I mean by highs, lots of people are asking me, should I buy, for example, I would say now, Terra, look at this. I mean, Terra is not just breaking my target now, it is getting closer to $10. I have a profit taking at $10. Wherever it goes, it can go towards this high, but this high is my profit taking. This is where I'm getting out of Terra. I have posted this on my Twitter page that Terra will looks good, and next impulse I'll post it again. If I'm right. Okay. So what I'm trying to tell you is that lots of the liquidity is in alts right now. What I mean by that liquidity means most of the people are in the in the alts. So अब आपको ये बात समझनी है कि if everybody is making money today or maybe tomorrow, who is losing money? Somebody is losing money and somebody is making money. Who is losing money? Actually, there are two ways to run this market. Sometimes what they do, the smart money or the people who run the market, they lose money for some time to fill their orders. Probably they are adding more shots to fill their orders because they take profit here. The rest of the moves is to short filling, and then they drop back to here, and then they bring the price up, close the longs, and then drop. This is how they move the market. So the question which I am trying to tell you, अगर आप alts में हैं, if you're in the alts, start booking your profits. Like if I say I have shared that setup and I have taken profit here. This is my first TP. This is where I took out my partial price, and now it's going up, and it is going up. Now this is where I'm not watching the charts, I'm watching my targets. This is going to give me another 21% on my 50% investment. So I took my capital, I took my 50% profit, and I let this amount to ride. Anyway, so the point which I'm trying to focus on here, BTC is about to, this is a very bad candle, but probably at night it will pump. This is the bear zone. This is where why it is called the bear zone. Bear zone means where the sellers are present. This pure movement, I have not seen sellers. Sellers mean those who take profits. This is not a seller attack. Even this is not seller attack. Even Yeah, this move is slightly a seller attack, but not strong. So normally, जो market maker, and I'll show you I'll show you something. Market maker seller model. Show you market maker seller model. ICT, ICT. Yeah, this is the market. No, this is the buy model. Yeah, this is the buy model. I want to sell. Market sell model. Something. Yeah, there's something like this. This is the market sell model. Let's copy this and let's put it here. This is what I'm trying to tell you or show you. Market maker usually has three phases. Like this is a one phase, or we can say this is a one phase, second phase. This is the blue phase. Now we are heading towards the gray phase. All right. So in my opinion, this is the green phase, blue phase, and we are heading towards the bow. I'm not saying the price. I'm not saying the price will go there and then come back here, but I'm saying the price will go there and they may come here or here, okay, or even here. So there is a probability. There is a probability you will see something like this, probably here. Not this cell model, but something like his. If this cell model repeat, then this model will be this model. Like if you say, if you ask me, this is the gray model. This is the gray period where the price drop. That's the gray time. That's the time when the price drop. If you know, and then we have this red model. This is the gray model. Then we have a red model, another red, and the price drop to the green model, and then the price moves up. Now we are going to make. So what I'm trying to tell you here is be careful at this level. आपने पिछली दफा की तरह stuck नहीं हो जाना. Start taking your profits. Don't forget about it. What are you doing? Start taking profits. Now example देता हूँ मैं आपको. Example of told USDT. So what do you think? This chart can pump even further? This is not even possible. Even if it pumped. Now if you noticed, the consolidation is getting shorter and shorter. And how to measure these moves? Look at this. Well, this is where I think Sol has to stop at least to 168 or 166, and you will notice there is something going to happen. But the point which I am trying to tell you, do you think if BTC will go up, Sol will go up? No. Sol will be a catalyst of a drop for BTC. And in my opinion, the place where you can bid Sol is this. This is where Sol can find support. Or even on 4D, 2D, yeah, this daily, I still believe, I don't know where Sol can find support, but Sol can find support at $80. I mean, like, anyway, above 100 is a very good place. Below 100 is a good place to put Sol, put money in Sol. So what I'm trying to tell you, if you're in coins like, for example, I'm in the coins like Doge. In Doge, I was in CXZ, still I'm in Terra. I closed. Alex, I've been holding. This is my long-term investment. No problem with Link. I just bought this thing called BNB, and I can assure you, which I think, which I see, that this thing is about to get into that area, this area of interest. This is where it is getting in. So in my opinion, I think it is going into that area, this area, and it is going to get me $600 at least. it's 15 or 17, and then whatever happens, it breaks up and breaks down, or even if the break takes the highs, you never know. But being bullish is not wrong. The point which I'm trying to tell you is that be careful at this level at 54. If it pokes, like I had a long on BTC, for example, I had a long at BTC, and this long is around, and I have closed it. Probably some of it left, but I've closed it for some reason, and I had made good profit out of it, and I don't want to open it. And this the coin which I'm trying to tell you is the coin, and Neo. I still think Neo will go towards 85. It can go towards 85. Trust me, it will go. Where is the coin? I think this is excess. Yeah, this is the coin which I'm looking at. I think it is sort of excess, sort of in a strange mood. Either it is going to pump when BTC pump, or it is going back. In my opinion, if you ask me, this is the area where I'm going to bid this coin. This is the area. This is the inefficiency. This is the gap which we are going to fill, and this is where I am interested. If it drop below 40, yeah, 40 is like, if you ask me, yeah, this weekly candle, this is where I'm interested. 44 and this range, 40 and 50 kbp. So this is my personal opinion, but you got to be careful with this thing. Even BTC is pumping, and you will see that it is pumping, but be careful at these levels. 57 is where I think it can poke in, trap as much as people it can, because this is pretty bullish structure now building up, and BTC is going to pump in New York session. This is a pretty bullish setup. Now, what BTC did today, if you want to know, BTC had this one, and BTC has to fill that inefficiency, and it filled that inefficiency gap, and it went up pretty decent. So, so, so be careful at 55 to 57, and start booking your profit. Okay, maybe ETH may have another rally, and probably ETH, but ETH has, and just one more thing, this OpenSea. If you're into NFT, look into that website. People are selling stuff here, and they are a lot of stuffs are selling here, in my opinion, and you must look into it. You can even have a wife here. Even if you want to have a wife, you can have a wife here. Sorry, what's it is? You can have a wife, virtual wife, I think. Kind of beautiful. I would like to buy this one. Very cheaply selling. Very nice, beautiful. So keep an eye on it, and work on this what we say, work on this OpenSea. It's an industry, and it is giving you a lot of opportunities. Anyway, have a good night.